everyone, welcome back to our drawing adventure. Today we are going to draw a cute cat from head to tail. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a small oval for the head. Now, add 2 triangle ears on the top of the head. Great job! Next, draw a bigger oval for the body. Draw a long tail. Add 6 lines for its legs.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love.
Next, draw 2 big circles for the eyes and add smaller circles inside for the pupils. Don't forget a tiny triangle nose and a curved line for the mouth. Add some whiskers on each side of the nose. Last, add some fur details on body and tail. Fantastic everyone! Now it's color time. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep drawing and having fun. Red color in its nose. Light brown color in its fur. Yellow color on its face. Good job! Stay tuned for our next drawing. Bye for now.